Hi, this is Ganesh Shenbagaraman, Head of Integrated Products and Ecosystems at Radisys. Today, I want to talk about our Openend solution offering, and without wasting much time, let me get into the next slide. A quick introduction about Radisys. We've been a company headquartered in the US, founded in 1987, and we've been supplying open telecom solutions for more than 3 decades. And we are now part of the Geo Platforms Limited group, which is a subgroup within Reliance Industries, the largest private sector enterprise in India. As part of our offering, you see that we offer a variety of products and solutions here, and right from our media product, which is the media server, deployed across the globe in various operator networks and enterprises, serving hundreds and thousands of subscribers in millions of subscribers in every network. And we also have open and disaggregated solution both for wireline and wireless. And here we will talk about our Open RAN solution primarily, but we also have a disaggregated wireline solution, open box OLT, white box OLT solution. We have a digital endpoints group which takes care of providing CPEs, various phone devices, IoT gateways, and platforms for the digital endpoints. And we have a network services division which takes care of all the end-to-end consulting, network design, Open RAN style system integration, benchmarking, and optimization of the solution. So these are the various ways in which we enable our customers take care of the integration and the management of the solution in deployment. Our approach to telecom solutions and telecom products has been one of adopting the fully open approach. What we mean by that, we adopt all the open architectures and open standards. Especially in the space of wireless, we've been part of all the leading open forums, be it Telecom Infra Project or Small Cell Forum. We've been a long-time member of these forums. In TIP especially, we've been a member since its inception, and the same thing with Small Cell Forum as well. And we've been currently engaged in the 5G and FAPI standardization in Small Cell Forum, and we've been awarded for our Open RAN contributions both in year 2020 and 2021. In ORAN Alliance, we've been contributing and leading in various working groups. We are co-chairing Working Group 8 since 2019, and we've been making several key contributions in Working Group 3 and 5 as well, various service models and E2EP related ones, and several CRs in WG5 as well. We also have contributed to the test and interoperability specifications in TFG group, and we've been contributing since 2019 through a small team for the 5G open source DU implementation in the ORAN open source community. And one of the key initiatives which I want to talk about as part of our effort within ONF is the SD-RAN initiative. We were one of the founding members of this initiative. We were able to demonstrate the integration of various different XApps, and we were able to trial this at Deutsche Telekom Lab in Berlin last year with the ONF near real-time RIC platform and the XApps coming from different ONF partners with our CUDU solution for 5G. So in addition to all these contributions and leadership across different forums, we've been part of several other organizations, including Open RAN Policy Coalition, through which we've been participating in all the industry initiative to promote Open RAN across different geographies. We've been happy to be part of this initiative through Open RAN Policy Coalition. We're also members of the NextG Alliance, CBRS Alliance, and the Linux Foundation. I'll now talk about the spread and the width of our solutions, how widely deployed we are through our software solution. We have been the key player enabling multiple small cell deployments across the world, both in 4G and many of the 5G solutions that are being designed right now are also based on our software solution. Same thing for our Open RAN solution, which has enabled the multiple Open RAN players deploying today across different geographies. We've been in the space of public safety and satellite communication too. We have enabled a good number of test and measurement vendors. And we also have been part of the innovative solutions along with some of the telcos in North America. And one of the key strengths we bring as an Open RAN centric player is our partnership with the ecosystem. We have the widest ecosystem partnership, be it the chipset players or the L1 providers or the RE providers. I'm not going to read out all the names that are here. You would just by the sheer names listed here, you would see the length and breadth of the partnership we have across the industry along with our global ODM partners. And this, I believe, is one clear way of enabling multiple ORAN Open RAN deployments with our partners for various different use cases. When it comes to the Open RAN solution offering from Radisys, we have a 5G and 4G approach, both SA and NSA approach. We are heavily focused on the CU/DU small cell components, and we integrate with our partners core network elements or near real-time RIC or non-real-time RIC, and we kind of deploy and integrate with all the leading orchestrators that are out there in the market. And I also want to make a mention about all the type of radios which we've been integrating with our partners, whether it's ORAN compliant radios or the older style CPRI radios. We've been doing this integration in various different forms in different labs and deployments. So that's our key strength in terms of the interops and the integration which we have done. And how does this provide various options for the Open RAN deployments, right from the small cells, which are indoor small cells, and the outdoor small cells or the outdoor pico cells, to the tower bottom deployments, to the highly centralized virtualized CU and DU. So we have ultra flexible and ultra scalable RAN software in which we accommodate a very flexible architecture, whether it's an all-in-one or an option 2 split or an option 6 or an option 7.2x split. So based on the deployment needs, we are able to shape our software and implement those scalability and performance requirements along with the aspects of virtualizing the RAN, whether it's containerized RAN in DU or CU, and follow the CUPS architecture and give a performance which is equivalent to the PNF. And we are adding more and more optimization in the scaling in and scaling out of our vRAN solution based on a number of cells, number of layers, and so on. With this kind of evolution or the thought process in mind, we see that we can cater to the various different needs evolving in the market, right from the current needs, which is more about vRAN solution and ORAN interfaces, and supporting eMBB use cases and massive MIMO based deployments, both for public and private networks, which is what we are doing as of this year. We do see ourselves commercially deploying with RIC XApps and AML aspects of non-real-time RIC as well, along with the evolution towards release 16 and the advanced ultra-reliable low latency use cases, and deploy some of the end-to-end network slicing use cases as well with our supporting the RAN software for the RAN slicing. As we evolve further in 2024, we see that we will be deploying massive IoT use cases, the red capped devices with that, and the non-terrestrial network satellite solutions, and multiple diverse use cases like telemedicine and cellular VTX. And finally, a point about the key strengths of why you should choose Radisys. And we've been a well-known player in the industry since the earlier generations of the technology, right from 2G, 3G, and now 5G. And decades of experience in deploying protocol software with well-defined interface. And our solution is highly software-centric and hardware agnostic, along with virtualization and automation. It becomes a very flexible and versatile solution. We have the widest interoperability in the ecosystem partnership, and we have deep system integration expertise that comes within our group by virtue of working with all the leading major operators here across the globe. And with that kind of combined expertise, we believe we are the best positioned to serve the Open RAN needs of the industry. And we would like to welcome any questions and interest around this. Thank you for your time.